What's the meaning of caliph? Caliph. Caliph.
Caliph. Caliph. The term caliph refers to the political and religious leader of the Islamic community, also known as the Ummah. The caliphate began after the death of the Prophet Muhammad, and the position of caliph was established to continue his legacy and guide the Islamic faith. The caliphate played a significant role in the spread of Islam throughout the world, and influential caliphs such as Harun al-Rashid and Abu Bakr helped shape Islamic culture and law. Today, while there is no longer a single caliphate, the concept of the caliph as a spiritual and political leader remains important to many Muslims around the world.